Hello everybody. Today we are going to begin class 6 mathematics NCERT syllabus chapter 1 knowing our numbers. In that exercise 1.2 we are going to solve today word problems. What is the speciality of these word problems? We call it as story problems also. These are just like a small stories, short stories. You have to read and you have to understand the story, then we have to solve it. Here these stories or word problems are like this. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and final day was respectively 1094, 1812, 2050, 2751. Find the total number of tickets sold on all 4 days. So by reading this word problem, we can understand this. Find the total. When we will get the total? When we add the numbers, we are going to get the total. So we can finalize that. We have to add it. We have to add these numbers. For adding, what we have to do? First we have to take down systematically. First, number of tickets sold on first day 1094. Number of tickets sold on second day 1812. Number of tickets sold on third day 2050. Number of tickets sold on fourth day 2751. So what will be the total tickets? How we can find the total? Dear students, to find the total it is so easy. You have to start adding according to the place wise. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7, we have to write under the same column. 9 plus 1 10, 10 15 20. So we have to write here 0. We can carry 2 here. So once we carry 2, 2 8 10 7. So you will be getting here how much? 17. 8 plus 2 10 and 17. 1 will be carried. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. 3 plus 4 7. So you are getting the answer 7707. So this answer we have to conclude that total tickets sold. So how we can conclude? Therefore 7707 tickets were sold on all the 4 days. In this way we have to solve the word problems. Now let us go to the second question of the same exercise. Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has scored 6,980 runs in a test match. He wished to complete 10,000 runs. How many runs does he need? Solution. Runs to achieve 10,000. Runs to score 6,980. Here we have to how many does he need? That time only we should understand that we have to do which operation? We have to do subtraction. How can we subtract this? 0 0 0. From here we don't have number, so we can borrow. Once we borrow, here it will become 10. Here it will be changing the number 9. Here also it will become 9. Here it will be 10. 10 minus 8 we will be getting 2. 9 minus 9 we will be getting 0. 9 minus 6 we will be getting 3. So your answer is 3020. The runs to required. So we have to conclude the answer. Therefore he needs 3020 more runs. Let us go to the question number 3. In a election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidates win the election? How can we do this? We have to finalize that which operation we have to do it. We have to do the subtraction. Number of votes successful candidate 577,500. Number of votes secured his nearest rival 3,48,700. So what is the margin between them? Means what is the difference? So what we have to do? We have to do the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. From the 5 we cannot subtract. So I will be borrowing. It has become 15. 15 minus 7 if you do, you will be getting 800. From 6 we cannot. Again we have to borrow. It has become 16. 16 minus 8, 8. 6 minus 4, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. So what you are getting the answer? 2,28,800. After this we have to conclude the answer. Therefore, the successful candidate won by a margin of 2,28,800. In this way, story problem you have to conclude it and we have to find the answers. Hope you understood. Let us go for the next video. Till the next video, wait for that. Thank you.